The Global Humanitarian Award for Women's and Children's Health recognizes individuals who have demonstrated great vision and leadership by investing their private wealth to advance reproductive, maternal, neonatal, child health, especially family planning, at both the country and the global level. Today is the inaugural award conferred by this conference, which is hosted by the Bill and Melinda Gates Institute and BKKBN, representing the government of Indonesia. Let me now introduce our distinguished awardees. Sir Christopher Hohn, Children's Investment Fund Foundation, United Kingdom. Today, we recognize the extraordinary commitment made by Sir Chris Hohn to improve the lives of some of the world's most vulnerable families. Through the work of the Children's Investment Fund, Sir Chris' philanthropy has helped transform the lives of children and their families. Created in 2004, the foundation was established to improve the lives of children living in poverty in developing countries through strategies that have lasting impact. Since 2012, the foundation has committed more than $1 billion to support the vision of a world where every pregnancy is wanted, every birth is celebrated, and every mother and her child survives and thrives today and in the future. Programs include mother's health and nutrition, children's education, deworming, smart ways to slow down and stop climate change. Family planning and the health of adolescent girls is a new and important part of the foundation's work. Today, it has committed more than $30 million to family planning and adolescent reproductive health programs since 2013. We commend Sir Chris' passion, dedication, and belief that every child deserves to survive and thrive. I am delighted to invite the Foundation's Executive Director, Alvaro Bermeo, to accept this award on Sir Chris' behalf.
Dear President, Your Excellencies, dear friends, on behalf of Sir Chris Hohn, I would like to express his enormous appreciation for this important award. I feel personally really privileged to witness the recognition given to his philanthropic work, seeking urgent and lasting change for children. Chris and every one of us at the Children Investments Fund Foundation passionately share the belief that every child deserves to survive and thrive. Women and girls of all ages have the right to decide, freely and for themselves, whether and when to have a child. Sexual and reproductive health information, supplies, and services are essential to ensuring this right. More and more country leaders recognize the benefits of family planning. We are as determined as all of you here to step up our efforts to ensure that Family Planning 2020 partnership continues to make progress. Amongst the many that we have yet to reach are millions of adolescent girls. Every year, far too many girls face an unwanted pregnancy, an unplanned birth, or an unsafe abortion that could have been prevented. One of the best ways for effective conversations and services for family planning is to start early. So it is with great pleasure that today we announce the launch of Adolescence 360, a $30 million new partnership between the Children's Investment Fund Foundation, the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, Population Services International, IDEA, and others, with a focus on sub-Saharan Africa. By combining human-centered design approaches and creating marketing strategies, this partnership will test new ways to reach adolescent girls. It will help all of us better understand the barriers girls face when trying to access contraceptives and will give us the evidence to accelerate progress. I don't know how many of you here who own a car like I do spend time wishing you had it full of adolescents and an adolescent in the driver's seat. But that's exactly what we want in these programs, to ensure that it can be designed to best meet their sexual and reproductive health needs. This way, we can be more certain about what works and what doesn't work. On behalf of Sir Chris and everyone at the Foundation, thank you again for the award. I hope you all have an action-packed and ambitious few days here in these wonderful surroundings. We must work together to meet the FP20 goals for women and girls. Thank you.
Fayeeza and Arif have made impressive commitments to improve the lives of others through increasing access to family planning and healthcare services in Pakistan. With 3 decades of experience of investing in public and private companies, Arif Naqvi founded the Abraaj Group in 2002, where he continues to serve as the group chief executive. After many years in banking, Fayeeza became increasingly involved in social sector organizations in the Middle East and Pakistan. She currently serves as a trustee to the British Asian Trust and a founding partner of the London School of Economics South Asia Center Board. At the London Summit on Family Planning in 2012, the Aman Foundation announced a commitment of $5 million, which gave rise to the Suk initiative that was co-funded by Packard Foundation and the Gates Foundation. The Naqvis have made impressive achievements in healthcare services and have shown their dedication to helping the underserved. We honor their dedication and their humanitarian work in this conference. I call on Fayeeza Naqvi to receive the award in her behalf and on behalf of Arif Naqvi.
Hello, what an honor to be here. President Widodo, First Lady Iriana Jokowi, Your Excellencies, distinguished colleagues and guests, Assalamu alaikum. It is a deep privilege to accept this award. My husband Arif and I are honored to have been a small part of this global effort. We would like to thank the sponsors and the organizers of the conference, the National Family Planning Coordinating Board of Indonesia, BKKBN, the Bill and Melinda Gates Institute at the Johns Hopkins School of Public Health, and the ICFP, International Conference for Family Planning, for nominating us for this prestigious award. This award truly belongs to our devoted team, who strive each day towards eradicating the inequalities that are so pervasive in many of our countries. It acknowledges the change in the lives of Salma in Pakistan, Anisa in Indonesia, and Beza in Ethiopia, amongst others. They are now empowered to take on the world with renewed hope and spirit. On behalf of them all, I thank you. This evening, though, I speak to you not as the chair of the Aman Foundation, but as a woman and a mother. It grieves me to know that in my country, child and infant mortality rates rank amongst the worst in the world. From this perspective, we can look at family planning as an awareness and an availability issue, which it is. We can see it as an economic issue, which is also true. But you know, lastly and perhaps most importantly, we need to embrace family planning as a human rights issue, finally giving women control over their bodies, their destiny, and that of their families. We are all acutely aware of the need to do something, not tomorrow, but today. We can do this, and we must. Today, great powers can be harnessed: the government, the private sector, philanthropy, and the galvanizing force of technology, I urge you to carry a message of hope to women as equal partners for our world, as cornerstones of healthy, productive societies. On behalf of the 2,000-strong Aman team, our partners, the Bill and Melinda Gates, and the David and Lucille Packard Foundations, and the many others who have contributed to our efforts, I thank you for acknowledging our work. I'm excited by our collaboration and have no doubt we can indeed transform the world. Terima kasih. God bless you all.
Dato Sri Dr. Tahir, Tahir Foundation, Indonesia Health Fund. Dato Sri Dr. Tahir is a highly successful, self-made entrepreneur and philanthropist. He is the founder, chairman, and CEO of the Mayapada Group, an Indonesian consortium of businesses in many industries, including banking, insurance, real estate, and healthcare. Dr. Tahir's guiding principle of built by the society for the society has shaped his philanthropic work. He funds the Tahir Foundation, which seeks to provide every Indonesian with adequate healthcare and education. In 2013, Dr. Tahir formed a partnership with the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, in which together they pledged a combined $200 million. $100 million each, please. 75% of this commitment supports HIV/AIDS, TB, malaria, and family planning programs in Indonesia. The remaining 25% supports the historic push to eradicate polio globally. Dr. Tahir has also committed $13 million towards family planning programs in Indonesia and other Southeast Asian countries. In 2014, as you may have heard, Tahir helped found the Indonesia Health Fund, which was established in cooperation with the Tahir Foundation and the Gates Foundation. Dr. Tahir believes in the power of individuals helping others and each other. Through this award, we pay tribute to his commitment, hard work, and achievements. I call on Dato Sri Dr. Tahir to receive the Global Humanitarian Award.
Excellency Bapak Presiden Republik Indonesia, Bapak Jokowi berserta Ibu Negara, Excellency the former President of Republic Indonesia, Bapak Habibie, Excellency the Coordinating Ministers of the Indonesia, and the President of this Gates and Bill Gates Foundations, the Dean of the Faculties of the Johns Hopkins, and the Chair of the BKKBN, all leaders, ministers, partners, leaders, and friends. It's truly honor for me to accept this award. And it is humbling to be here with you all, and also to thank for you all, your dedication to make this world a better place for the women, for the children, and for family. I always feel privileged that today my country as a host for such an important international event. I believe and feel that next few days you will feel the most welcome during your stay. In my philosophy, I do believe that wealth often comes with a great responsibility. That's why I dedicated myself, my life, and my wealth to help others, especially to my country. I was born in my country. I've enjoyed a lot of the opportunity I can send my children, my family to go to better school, and I have small deposit in my pocket. I have already experienced the kindness of my brotherhood Indonesian people. I enjoy the harmonies of the society and community. I experience the proper direction of the government policy. And today make it happen like today, like I am here. So, to giving back is become a logical consequences that I take from my country, I give back to my country. There's nothing special for me, nothing to be proud of. It's just a logical consequences. In my life, I learned a lot, especially lately for the last 2 years, I learned from the Bill Gates Foundation. I think Bill and Melinda is the greatest gift given by Almighty to this earth to bless a lot of people. I learned personally from Bill and Melinda. They inspire me, and today I'm able to inspire more people to do more good things. In my life, I have a lot of things I cannot pick up. Like, I born in Surabaya, I born in my poor family, humbling family. I cannot pick up. But there's something I can pick up. I want to do good or I want to do bad. And I have to make decision. I want to do good. I want to educate my children to do good, be blessing to the others, be useful to others. So that's I pick up. So, ladies and gentlemen, I have to thank to my president and to thank my country and giving such an opportunity today I can be here. Thank you so much and God bless you all.
Ladies and gentlemen, we would now like to invite His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Indonesia, to present the Global Humanitarian Award for Women's and Children's Health, accompanied by Dr. Christopher Elias. The Global Humanitarian Award for Women's and Children's Health, presented to Sir Christopher Hohn, co-founder of CIFF from the United Kingdom, receiving the award on his behalf, Mr. Alvaro Bermejo. Mrs. Fayeeza Naqvi, chairman and co-founder of Aman Foundation from Pakistan. Dato Sri Professor Dr. Tahir, founder and chairman of Tahir Foundation from Indonesia.